Today I'm going to be answering a subscriber's question. How can I help someone else find a job with Ho'oponopono? This is from Mansmith 4154. So thank you for asking that question, first of all. And I'm going to give you a few tips of how you can help whoever you want to find a job with Ho'oponopono. So the first thing that comes up to me is that like Ho'oponopono says that whatever hurts in your body, like, like it hurts you, that this person cannot find a job. Like, why do you want to help them? Like, what's hurting inside? If you didn't hurt, you wouldn't want to help them. So it's something that you need to heal within you. So it could be like you feel like it's injustice. Maybe you feel sorry for them. Maybe you feel like life is not fair. So what is that person causing in you that is making you want them to have this job? Because they can manifest a job on their own, but you feel like you need to save them. You feel like they can't manifest a job without you. So first heal that with Ho'oponopono, and I have a lot of meditations on how to do that. And I have a playlist. I'll put it in the description below. So once you heal that part of you that wants to help them, because like maybe that's the journey that they're supposed to live, like maybe they need to reach rock bottom before they like get up on their feet and say like, you know what, I don't want to be stuck anymore. I want to like have a job and like have income and be independent. So sometimes that's the journey that they need to take in order for them to like realize that they need to change. But like, what is this person making you feel that is not accepting that situation, first of all? Okay, once we get that cleared with Ho'oponopono, right? Because Ho'oponopono clears the way, clears the pain. Because like if we can't clear the pain, we're gonna keep manifesting the same thing. So I'm pretty sure if this person wasn't in your life, like I don't know who this person is, maybe your brother, your sister, your partner, a friend, you would attract someone else that has the same condition. Like you want them to be independent or to not die, right? I don't know what is causing in you, but like you need to heal that within you first. When you heal that and you see that, life is just a game, really, like you get to choose what you want to experience, then you get to use the law of attraction. Like start to visualize this person having that job, being happy, being successful, because that could be another thing. Like that's why I love Ho'oponopono, because like sometimes you feel like you want people to succeed and then all of a sudden you realize that like you don't, like there is some scenarios where this happens. Like what if this person is successful? If that causes you pain, you could be sabotaging this person's like dream job. Like maybe you feel like this person will leave you, or like you will be left alone, or like maybe jealousy will arise. So like, let's see what happens. Like visualize this person being successful, independent, sovereign. How does that make you feel? Like, does it really make you feel happy? Or does it make you feel other feelings that are negative? So we'll see like what are you feeling now and what would you be feeling when they're successful, when they have a job, their dream job or a normal job. And then use Ho'oponopono with that too, if like you also get triggered if they did find a job. And that's how you would manifest or help someone else find a job, by first releasing whatever emotions are keeping you stuck in that reality. Okay, well, let me know in the comments below if this was helpful for you. Let me know any other comments or questions that you want me to answer. I love answering all of your questions, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.